Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is actually Tuesday, another day, another trading video, more trading opportunities. Like I said in yesterday's video, I don't trade based on days, I trade based on opportunities. And talking about opportunities, I took this opportunity. I felt pretty confident with this opportunity. That's why I unloaded on it. Actually, I'm on gold and silver. That's why I unloaded in this position. Part of it, I must admit, and this is not an encouragement to you. Part of it is also because yesterday we got stopped out. If you watched my video from yesterday, we got stopped out on gold and we got stopped out on silver. My mouse is sticking there, and we got stopped out on silver. So I decided maybe the market will just dance around this area here, so maybe let me just forget about it and I'll come back on Tuesday. Unfortunately, this happened on silver and I missed this whole move. So that's why I've kind of unloaded on this opportunity that I spotted and decided to just sell. The same story on gold. I actually missed this whole move. Yes. Um, must you chase opportunities in trading? Yes and no. No, because sometimes the move has already happened and you might actually end up losing a lot of money. And I'm thinking now I probably need to take off some of the risk of these trades, because now I don't know this week if it want to move us this direction or not. So as I talk, let me just prepare to take out a big portion of this trade. Like I said, how I trade is I enter initially with a big position, then as the trade moves in my direction, and if I'm satisfied, if I'm happy with the movement, then I can take out a big part of that trade, so that whatever is left, whatever the market decides to do, at least the big part of the trade is gone. So now we're just clocking down to the next hour. It's going to be 11 a.m. South African time shortly. So we'll see what happens. Usually before the close of the hour, the hourly candle, it will come down and fill in this week, or it might actually squeeze and go back up. So we'll see as it winds down. You see it coming down a bit, coming down a bit. So we'll see, and we'll also see where the next candle will actually form. That's why I have this timer in there, because it helps me to time my trades. So I'm just waiting to see if we can squeeze out some more, a few coins there. Then I will take out the majority of this trade. So then we'll go into all the other things. By the way, I saw your question. Somebody asked me, they said they want to download the system, but they couldn't because of some error on the blog. There's no error on the blog, probably your browser or something like that. If it says site unsecure and stuff like that, sometimes some browsers do say that the site is secure. Just go use the links in the description box below. The top one that says PSL or log news or something like that. When you go there and go to the section that says downloads, there you can download this system of mine. I developed myself. I gave it out free of charge. You don't need to pay me, and hopefully maybe you can actually better the system, and maybe you can come back here and give me a better setting. So you can see this candle wants to push down a bit. Let's see as we wind down this hourly candle. Maybe let me close it like that. That's the first one, and we go to the second one, and we'll do the same thing on silver as well. So maybe for somebody they will say my trading is part scalping and part swing trading, kind of a mixture of both. But anyway, it is what it is. Whatever you call it, I don't know. But this is what has been working for me. So now the majority risk is gone off my trades. Now I can introduce my stop loss. As I said in my previous videos, it's not like I don't trade with stop loss. I do trade with stop loss, but unlike many people's stop losses, mine are initially mental. Okay, let's just move it there, and let's find this stop loss. Mine are initially mental, and I definitely know where to close the trades if it starts moving against me. But for you, do what works for you. If you prefer to actually see the stop loss on your charts, then definitely place them on your chart. And yeah, different strokes for different folks, they say that. So this is basically the reason why I took that sell on gold. Like I told you, I trade support and resistance, supply and demand. It's usually horizontal, but it can also be slanted like this, because I observed in the markets that the markets love to print these channels. You cannot miss them. You cannot miss these channels. So that's how the market moves. So usually you come to a point where the channels and the horizontal lines are dissecting or are intersecting, and there is where I usually want to enter my trades, just to give you an idea. So that's where I usually want to enter my trades, especially when you add in more stuff like this massive candle. I love it. Something happened here that pushed price down. Hopefully we can maintain that momentum, and we can certainly have that M pattern there. I don't trade patterns, but it's just something that I just noticed there. But we came down from 1990 on gold, so let's see if we can drop down to 1980, 1975, and hopefully we don't get taken out at break even. This is why I usually hate placing in my stop losses too early like this, because the market will come back and will stop you out, then it will drop and you are none the wiser. But let's see what the market will do today. So this is the reason why I entered the trade. You can see my simple philosophy. Hopefully it's simple enough. And on silver again, I've got a channel here that's going on there. And as I said in the previous videos, if you know how to trade gold, you certainly know how to trade silver. And silver also, in terms of pip value, it actually pays better than gold. But as you can see, silver, same standard lot size there. See, it pays more than gold. So, but it also means that it can be dangerous. It's not all about making money. Trust me, it's not all about making money. If you are not sure of what you're doing, and if you I don't know, you don't have a plan, you don't have a strategy, silver will take your money, gold will take your money. So just bear that in mind as you are trading silver and gold, that although you can make a lot of money with them, but if you don't know what you're doing, they can take your money. So I'm liking what silver is doing here. I think we are just coming to test the 2350 level there. Hopefully we can come down to some levels there. 23 dollars is here. So let's see what silver wants to do. Let's see what silver wants to do. We take the opportunities as they come. That's what we do. We take the opportunities as they come. If the market gives us an opportunity, we take it. If the opportunity is no longer there, then we stay out of the market. That's how you should be trading. Don't mind people who insist on you should be doing this, you should be doing it their way. I also said in a previous video, whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing, don't come and copy me. Don't do what I'm doing. If what you are doing is making you money, if what you're doing is making you money, trust me, I'm the first person to tell you to keep doing what you are doing. If what you're doing is making money, keep doing what you are doing. But if, well, you are open to new ideas, my system, you can download it. The links are in the description box below. By the way, the brokers that I use, see the links in the description box below. I've never had any problems with them regarding deposits and withdrawals. So see all the links in the description box below. About settings, settings for the system. Basically, I've done several videos on this channel already, talking about how I trade with the system, the settings that I use. Maybe you want to start from there, so look for those videos on this channel. They'll guide you through the settings that I have, also the settings that I use, because I use the same system for trading volatility 75 index. So the settings that I use on the systems for VIX 75, also where to download it, everything, the videos are on this channel, so look for those videos. So yeah, I just wanted to share the trade that I was in gold and silver. I missed this whole move and I woke up today and I was like, what happened? But in any case, some consolation there. That's why I entered those massive positions, just to console myself. Now just a matter of watching to see what the market has in store for me. If it takes me out at break even, I'm happy. I've taken much of that position out already. So yeah, whatever the market decides to do now, I just relax and see what the market has in store for me. If you are trading silver and gold as well, and if you have tips for us, tips for the guys that are watching this video, leave them in the comment section below. Guys, I've never pretended to be the genius in the market. I am also open to new ideas. That's how you grow as a person. Even if you know something, even if you think you know it better, be open to new ideas. So I'm always open to new ideas, so drop them in the comment section below. Guys, I'll see you in the next one.